Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we gotta talk about Friday's whisper. So Friday, if you recall, I was bullish on UWTI above this 225 level, and you can see it broke above that level right around the time that Janet Yellen was speaking. I got into it, and as soon as she started to talk, all the commodities took a push down. I ended up losing 3 cents on the trade. No big deal. Also, I was bullish on BP above that 40 level, was unable to break above it, therefore did not take that trade on Friday. But the big winner was American Airlines. This thing was flying high, if you recall, bullish above 40.20. It opened up right at 40.50 and never looked back. Went all the way up to about that 41.64 level. I'm still in it. So many of my traders were rocking this on Friday. Pinky had a great trade on this, but the trader of the day goes to Wayne, aka the Cowboy. He was rocking AAL. He made 117% on his calls. Great trade, Cowboy. Also Costco, another one of my favorites, and HA. So great trading, Cowboy. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, a lot of news coming in on the Greek front. So the market's been quite volatile. I still like American Airlines. I love the airlines, actually. There's a lot of room on the upside. 42.50 is my next target up. And then if it can break this 50 moving average, about that 43.25. JetBlue is also heating up this morning, but only 9,000 volume coming into that. Delta also looks good, but the volume is not there. Really, AAL is my favorite in that sector right now. Also have my eye on Bank of America. Really nice volume coming into this, 313,000. The bank stocks are coming out with earnings tomorrow. So this is just a pre-earnings trade. I'm not going to hold this. This is just a day trade. And I'm going to be bullish above $16.87, right? As long as it holds over here. If it breaks down, I'm not going to take it. But if it moves on the way up, there's a great trade to 17. And then from about 17 to 17.12 would be the next trade setup. If you're in my trading room, you'll see me enter and exit this trade based on the volume and price action. I'm also watching MT. This is an interesting trade. Only one trade has gone off pretty much, well, maybe a small one over here, but a 250,000 share print at 9.25. They've been moving the bid and the offer around, so not quite sure where it's going to open up, but I'm going to be bullish above 9.25, and I'm going to be bearish below 9.20. Levels I'm watching on the SPY today are 208.75 in the 209 area. That's definitely a level of resistance. If we could break up through 209, 210 is the next major up. But if we can't hold that, we could come down and retrace down to this 208. So come watch me trade along with my amazing traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.